Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the 32GB 3rd generation Ipod Touch, and it's going to be a quick unboxing. There's the Ipod Touch. And here's what comes inside. The manual with all the stickers. The stickers and information. USB cable. Dock adapter. And headphones with mic. I don't know if you can see the mic, it's right here. But yeah, that's it. And that's about it, just a quick unboxing. Subscribe because I will be doing giveaways and app reviews and probably case reviews too. Okay, thanks guys. See you later. Peace.